The SD115 represents a new line of Volvo soil compactors. The SD175, SD115 or the SD135 are powerful machines designed to deliver superior compaction in a comfortable, safe and environmentally friendly way, something you would expect to see from Volvo construction equipment. This machine is ideal for soil compaction jobs and finishing, or it can also be used to compact granular materials in a variety of applications. The industry-proven front drum remains fundamentally unchanged, boasting heavy front frame and drum weight for a high centrifugal force to deliver excellent compaction and achieve target density in fewer passes. The new line of soil compactors is not only productive but highly versatile. Whether you're compacting thin layers of material or thick lifts, you can achieve superior results by simply flipping a switch on a control panel and selecting a low or high amplitude. It is also easy to adjust the vibration frequency from the operator console to compensate for changing soil types and conditions, therefore increasing productivity and performance. 2 frequency settings come as standard, and Volvo also offers an industry-unique 5 frequency settings to closer match the drum frequency to the natural frequency of the material being compacted. With minimal tools and equipment, these compactors can quickly and easily be converted from smooth to padfoot drum by clamping on a padfoot shell. This allows the machine to work even more applications, such as clay or highly cohesive soil. The central articulation joint provides plus-minus 17 degrees of oscillation angle and a frame articulation of plus-minus 38 degrees for greater maneuverability and stability. The optional Volvo traction system prevents wheel or drum spin, improving gradability, performance and productivity. It provides excellent climbing and traction capabilities in difficult applications such as steep inclines or slippery surfaces. The latest models are quick and easy to service with a hydraulic electric opening engine hood, and all key service checkpoints are grouped on one side of the compactor. The new Volvo engine features the Stage 3B technology with a diesel particulate filter, or the DPF, in order to cut emissions. The DPF is fitted with an active regeneration system which does not interrupt the operation, performance or productivity of the machine. The Volvo engine supplies all the power you need to work in even the most difficult of materials, delivering engine high torque at low RPMs for superior performance and low fuel consumption. Volvo's Smart Power option is available on the SD115 and SD135 for up to 30% reduced fuel consumption. Smart Power is an efficiency mode that significantly reduces engine noise levels and emissions without impacting compaction performance. The operator easily switches between modes via a switch on the control panel. Furthermore, the Volvo Contronics system continuously monitors the machine's operation and performance in real time and displays it on the operator control panel in the cab. The new SD175, SD115 or the SD135 are fitted with industry-renowned Volvo cab with full ROPS/FOPS certification, providing safe and comfortable working environment. The cabs have an efficient heating and air conditioning system, and all-around visibility is provided through large glazed areas. With floor-to-ceiling cab glass, the operator has an excellent forward drum view as well as superior front and rear visibility. Inside you will experience class-leading low noise levels. The molded roof, wall segments or large areas are made out of soft, noise-absorbing materials. Shock-absorbing cab mounts minimize vibration transmitted to the cab and reduce noise levels for increased operator comfort. The spacious operator environment features ample storage and legroom, ergonomic controls and an adjustable seat and a cup holder, all adding up for more comfort and reduced fatigue. Further options to enhance your next Volvo compactor include reversible fan, impact meter and compaction analyzer. So there you have it, the new mid-size range of Volvo soil compactors for high productivity, new efficient and clean Volvo engine and a world-class operator comfort. Contact your local Volvo dealer now to find out more.